Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic natural bleach recipe that will leave your skin glowing and radiant. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to nature's wonders. Conventional bleaches can be harsh on your skin, causing dryness, irritation, and long-term damage. Natural bleach, on the other hand, uses gentle, skin-loving ingredients that not only lighten your skin but also nourish and rejuvenate it. Plus, it's free from harmful chemicals and preservatives, making it perfect for all skin types. We'll be using lemon juice, honey, yogurt, turmeric, and aloe vera gel, each known for their skin brightening and nourishing properties. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which helps lighten dark spots and pigmentation while reducing excess oil and tightening pores. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the skin for deep hydration and has antibacterial properties that help prevent acne and soothe irritation. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells and brightens the complexion, while also moisturizing and soothing the skin. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helping to reduce dark spots and acne scars, imparting a healthy glow. Aloe vera gel soothes and hydrates the skin, helping in healing and rejuvenating it, leaving it soft and supple. To prepare the natural bleach, mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and honey in a clean bowl until well combined. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt to the mixture and stir until smooth. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of turmeric and mix thoroughly to avoid clumps. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and mix until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. Your natural bleach is now ready to use. Start with clean, dry skin by using a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt or makeup. Apply the natural bleach mixture evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area, and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the ingredients to work their magic. Rinse off with lukewarm water, gently massaging your skin in circular motions. Pat your face dry with a clean towel and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Regular use of this natural bleach will help lighten dark spots and pigmentation, even out your skin tone. Reduce acne scars and blemishes, hydrate and nourish your skin, and give your skin a natural, healthy glow. Use this natural bleach once a week for best results. Remember to do a patch test before applying the mixture to your face to check for any allergic reactions. Also, always wear sunscreen during the day as lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. This gives us even more courage to make better videos in the future. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself, take care of your family and people around you, and spread love. Goodbye.